Hello students, I am Sheetal Banushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Mathematics of Standard 1st, Chapter number 2, Addition up to 20, Part 4. Students, in the earlier part, we have completed number combinations up to 10. Hope you have remembered all the number combinations well. Let us move further. Now, our new topic is parts that make the number. First, add the dots to make the number. Here, dots are given in the box and you have to add their dots together and write the number below. Say for example, here in a first box, one dot is there and in a second box again one dot is there. So 1 and 2. Total how many dots are there? 2 dots. So below 2 is written. Next 1, 2 and 3 dots. So what is written? 3. Likewise you have to add the dots and make number. Here in this box, one dot is there and in this box, 3 dots are there. So, when we add these dots together, what number will it form? So, first you need to add this dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many dots? 4. So, what you will write here? 4. Got it, students? Next. In this box, 2 dots are there. Again in this box, 2 dots are there. So count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you will write here? 4. Got it, students? Next, first box, 1 dot and second box, 4 dots. Add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5. Next, first box 2 dots, second box 3 dots. Add these dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5. Got it, students? Next, in the first box 1 dot and in the second box 5 dots are there. Add these dots together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you will write here? 6. Next, in the first box 2 dots and the second box 4 dots. So how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what you will write here? 6. Next, first box 3 dots and second box also 3 dots. Count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what you will write here? 6. Got it, students? Next, add the numbers to make a new number. Now you have to add these numbers and then you have to write the answer here. Students, you all remember the number combinations, right? So you have to use the number combinations here for adding. Got it, students? So how you have to do this? First one, here in the first box 1 is given and in the second box 6 is given. So we have to add these two together, means 1 and 6 together. So 1 plus 6 gives us 7. So you have to write here 7. It is already written. Now next one. In the first box 2 is written and the second box 5 is written. So we have to add 2 and 5 together. Got it, students? So when we add 2 and 5, the answer is 7. So you need to write here 7. How we got these answer? With the help of the number combinations which we have completed in the earlier parts. Got it, students? Next, in the first box 2 is written and the second box 6 is written. So 2 plus 6 gives us 8. So what you will write here? 8. Next, in the first box 1 is written and in the second box 7 is written. So what you will write here? 1 plus 7. So 1 plus 7 is equals to 8. Got it, students? Next, in the first box 8 is written and the second box 0 is written. So 8 plus 0 is equals to 8. Students, whenever we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. Got it, students? Next, in the first box 3 is written and in the second box 5 is written. So 3 plus 5 gives us 8. Got it, students? Next, in the first box 2 is written and in the second box 7 is written. So 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. Next, in the first box 3 is written and in the second box 6 is written. So 3 plus 6 gives us 9. Got it, students? Students, these two were the number combinations of 7. These two were the number combinations of 8. Again, these two number combinations of 8. And these were the number combinations of 9. Got it, students? Now, remaining 5 sums are your homework. Got it, students? So, you have to do this in your textbook only. Clear, students? Now, moving further, let us start with the next topic, that is adding 10. Now we have to learn adding 10. What you have to do here, students? Can you see these pictures? Here in one box, every box 10 things are there. How many things? 10 things. Say for example, in the first box 10 starfish are there. How many starfish? 10. In the second box 10 octopus are there. How many octopus? 10 octopus. Then in the third box again 10 jellyfish are there. And in the last box 10 seahorses are there. Got it, students? Now these are already 10. You have to add the things which are outside the box. You have to count that and you have to add the things which are outside the box. Now let us start with the first one. First 10 starfish were there, so 10 is written. Then 1, 2 and 3 starfish, so here 3. Then what is the total number of starfish here? So these are 10. What comes after 10? 11, 12 and 13. So what is written here? 13. So 10 plus 3 gives us 13. Got it, students? Next, here 10 octopus are there, so 10 is already written. How many octopus are outside the box? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is also written here. What is the answer when we add 10 and 5 together? So these are already 10, then you have to count forward. So what comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So what you will write here? 1, 5, 15. Remember, 5 at the place of ones and 1 at the place of tens. So your answer is 15. Got it, students? So when we add 10 and 5 together, we get 15. Next, 10 jellyfish. Already written. Now, how many jellyfish are outside the box? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many jellyfish? 8. So you will write here 8. Now 10 plus 8 is equals to dash. So you need to count these together. This is already 10. Then you will count forward. What comes after 10? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what you will write here? 18. So 10 plus 8 is equals to 18. Got it, students? Next, here in the box 10 seahorses are there. So 10 is already written. How many seahorses are there outside the box? 1 and 2. So you will write here 2. Now when we add 10 and 2 together, what is the answer? So for that we need to count them together. So 10 already counted. What comes after 10? 11 and 12. So you will write here 12. Got it, students? Now moving further, try this. Students, you have to add it. Now here 10 plus 1 is there. So 10 already counted. Then you have to count forward how many times? 1 time. So what comes after 10? 11. So you will write here 11. Got it, students? Next, 10 plus 6. So you have to count forward how many times? 6 times. How many times? 6 times. So what comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and then 16. So what is the answer here? 16. So we will write here 16. Got it, students? Then 10 plus 4. So you have to count forward how many times? 4 times. So what comes after 10? 11, 12, 13 and 14. So what is the answer here? 14. Got it, students? Now these remaining you have to do it by your own selves. Remember here 10 plus 0 means we are not supposed to add any number. So its answer will be 10 only. Got it, students? Now these two you will do by your own. Clear, students?